Welcome to the Wheelhouse Order Management Guide. The Order Management module in Wheelhouse allows customers, service, and sales agents to efficiently manage customers, quotes, sales, and invoices all in one centralized location. Navigate to Order Management in the left menu and select the Customers tab. The list displays existing customers, and agents can use the filtering and sorting toolbar functions to organize the list. The toolbar works similarly for each tab in Order Management and includes a search bar, filter by customer type, active or inactive, additional filters, and a sorting dropdown. Each tab in Order Management offers various levels of filtering and sorting depending on the page content. Depending on your company's visibility settings, agents can create new customers by selecting the green Add Customer button. First, search for the customer. If the customer exists, it will appear as an option, along with choices for adding a new dealer or direct customer. Agents can also edit pre-existing contacts via the Edit icon on a customer record, where they can add details and pricing information for the customer. Navigating back to the customer list, agents can see how many user accounts are associated with each customer. On the right side of each record, there are quick action buttons for creating a quote, sale, or a return merchandise authorization RMA record for the customer. Button visibility may vary based on your company's visibility settings. Let's create a new quote by selecting the Quote tab, clicking New Quote, and linking a dealer. All quote details can be managed from this single page. Let's add a configurable item to the list. We'll add a mountain bike to show how a configured item appears in the item list. Once the item is added, we can expand the product to view an itemized list. The toolbar at the top right of the quote allows agents to generate a printable version of the quote, which they can print or quickly email to customers or relevant contacts. Agents can also save the generated quote to the record's files for later reference. Using the ellipses dropdown in the quote record, agents can convert the quote to a sale, abandon it, or clone it. Select Done and navigate back to the quotes list. Let's convert our newest quote to a sale by selecting the ellipses dropdown. Choose which items to include in the sale, decide whether to close the quote or keep it open, add your customer's purchase order number, and then click Convert. The new sale record will open automatically, showing options like shipments tracking and a status dropdown for managing the sale. Exit the sale when finished. We can now see our sale in the sales list. You can view closed quotes or sales by using the Type filter dropdown. Be sure you're on the correct tab when searching for the record. Depending on company settings, agents can create sales and RMAs from scratch from this tab without needing to make a quote and convert it to a sale. The sales lifecycle can be explained in a few steps. First, a sale starts as open, meaning it has not yet been released to production for job scheduling designated by the open lock icon. Second, release the sale so it can be scheduled in production. During this time, it will be designated by the calendar icon. Third, when scheduled for production, the calendar icon will have a check mark. Fourth, once production has started, the product will flow through its production cycle, notifying you of its progress, designated by the machine icon and a percentage representing completion. Lastly, when production is complete, the sale will be ready for invoicing, designated by the green envelope icon. If shipping information is provided, a shipment tracker icon will appear, designated by the truck icon, giving up-to-date information and a link if available. Using the ellipses dropdown, agents can abandon the sale, copy it as a new quote, or create an invoice. Let's create an invoice for a sale that has gone through the entire process and is ready for invoicing. In our sales list, Agents can choose which items to include in the invoice and decide whether or not to close the sale. Select Convert when finished. The new invoice will open automatically. Let's generate the invoice using the toolbar. Send it in an email to the customer and save it to our files for record keeping. Close the invoice when finished. Once the order is invoiced, use the ellipses icon to close the invoice, indicating it has been paid. If you are connected to QuickBooks Online, the invoice will close automatically when the payment is received in QuickBooks. Congratulations! You have now completed the order management process from creating customers, quotes, sales, and invoices. This concludes our guide to order management in Wheelhouse. Thank you for watching.